Back with you. Just took my 10mm bolts out of my coil packs. Just pulled one out. That coil pack looks nice, perfect. A little bit discoloration right there. Sorry about doing this with one hand, but right there, trying to show it right at the tip. Anyway, looking down in the cylinder at the spark plug hole, sorry about the glare. One real good indication is there's no oil sitting down there, so the valve cover is not leaking. It's another thing that you can assess. I'm going to pull that plug and see what it looks like really quick. See if they did a real old school tune-up on this and didn't, as they say, hoodoo the old lady at the repair shop. This is my first time taking this apart, working on this particular ski. So we'll see what it looks like when I pull it out here. Hey, these are iridium plugs. Looking at that plug, a little bit of burn there. Of course, some of it's normal. It's actually burning a little lean, or clean I should say, because this is a 4-stroke, and NGK iridiums, and I'm going to put in some new ones just because. Alright, this is the old, and these are the new. Get back with y'all.